Try these great ideas to ramp up your affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can employ a lot of different techniques depending upon how you want to promote your business. You know that it's the type of program you enter into that will affect your image, along with having an effective strategy. Take some time to effectively promote yourself and your business, using the tips below. Make sure you understand what you are getting into before you make a site. There usually isn't a big commitment when it comes to affiliate marketing, but make sure you always read all fine print. You want to make sure you know the expectations of your affiliates with you and whether or not you can meet those expectations before you proceed. In affiliate marketing, you need to express to your readers that they can trust you. Do not post ads that you do not believe in or have any interest in, they will know. If you appear to be a phony condoning something you don't believe in, that will drive away your readers and they won't trust anything you have to say. Affiliate marketing is a legit and sound choice when it comes to making money online. Work-at-home scams abound, but affiliate marketing allows one to control their own destiny, and it also requires little to zero financial investment. Affiliate marketing is not simple though, as few things in life are easy. Basic research and knowledge about what is available and how they work is important. In order to run a successful affiliate marketing business, you have to attract the right consumers to your website. Writing videos that are relevant to the product or products you are selling is an efficient way to do this. For example, if you are promoting natural health remedies, post videos on your website about arthritis, the benefits of natural health remedies, or how garlic can ease joint pain. Consumers looking for information that pertains to the products you are sponsoring are more likely to pull out their credit cards and increase your monthly sales. It's true that your online business should speak for itself, but using affiliates can help take your business further. You can always improve upon your affiliate marketing strategy to help boost your reputation, traffic and sales, and hopefully, these tips have given you advice on how to do that more effectively. Student loan.